Hi everyone, this is Queen and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I post very easy ways to do a whole lot of things. So today we are going to learn how to make a baby diaper reusable. First, we are going to go in with a glass of water, or better still, allow your baby to use the diaper first. That's the whole idea of making it reusable after all. So it could be fully soaked with water or urine. Just be sure it is properly soaked. Okay? Alright. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now we are going to make sure it is properly soaked. Okay. Now we are going to get a corner by the side. Okay. Then we'll go in with a pair of scissors, or you can just use a razor blade. So just a little. Alright. Now we are going to get a nylon bag. Okay. So we are going to take out the gel. Okay, the gel polymer. We're going to take it out. We'll make sure we take it out completely. This is what it looks like. Beaten, worn, and tired. Okay, the next thing we are going to do now is to make sure it is completely empty. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to get a piece of cloth or wrapper, just a piece of cloth. So, and then you can just take a measurement, probably depending on how big you want it to be. For me, this is what I did. Okay, then we are going to fold it properly. Okay, all right, I'm just going to fold it like so. Okay, all right, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to fold one end. Okay, all right, next thing I'm going to do is to insert it through that corner. All right, okay, all right, I had to insert the bigger part to the front, as that's the place urine mostly gets to. Okay, so you just have to insert it properly. Okay, all right, nicely done. Now this is what it looks like. So we are almost done. It's just okay, we have one more step. Okay, it's looking nice and neat. All right, very comfortable, very nice and easy on the skin. Okay, all right, so you can still get it out from that corner, from that same corner whenever it is soaked. Okay, now we have one more thing to do. We are going to test the quality of what we have made so far. So I'm just going to do one more thing. Now I'm just going to use this glass of water and test the quality. All right. So we are going to go in with a glass of water. Okay. Okay. Now you see it's not leaking. It's not leaking. So this is very easy on the skin. You see my hand, there is no trace of water. There's no drop of water on my hand. You can place your hand on it. You see it's very easy on the skin. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I had to hit my hand on it, but it didn't show. The water did not show, so it is very okay. Alright, so when it's soaked, you can get it out from the side. Alright, so everyone, we are done with this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. If this video was helpful one way or the other, please subscribe to my channel. And I post every Saturday, and I post short videos as well during the week on weekdays, and the long videos is mainly on Saturdays. So I post easy ways to do a whole lot of things, how to make bags, how to get things done in the easiest way. All right, thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye.